Dear?
Teacher, teach me
When we say that all Indians are my brothers and sisters, it reminds us to stay united in spite of staying in India. Dosta hamara.
India Babin was predicting hello like my happiness. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Hello everybody, Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Grow Walk Away. So today's video is about the pledge of our nation, India. The video is actually divided into 3 parts, wherein the first part covers the meaning and information about the pledge of India in a very precise and interesting way, which is worth watching for everybody along with the kids. The second part covers the meaning of a pledge in the form of a beautiful song, and the third part covers the pledge of our nation, India, recited by my 3-year-old daughter, which is worth watching for everybody. So stay tuned till the end.
Mommy,
Yes, dear?
teacher, teach me friends in the school.
Oh, so you're learning pledge in the school. That's wonderful.
Why we say all Indians are my brothers and sisters?
Okay, so let me tell you the same. Dear, the pledge of India reminds us to stay united, respect everybody, and that we are proud of its cultures and traditions, and that we will always follow them in the future as well. Also, it reminds us to be proud of our nation, India. And to answer your question, when we say that all Indians are my brothers and sisters, it reminds us to stay united in spite of various cultural differences. And do you know, Hannah, who wrote the Pledge of India? It was written by Mr. Paidimari Venkata Subbarao. And you'll also find the Pledge of India written on the front page of the textbook and the calendars. So, Hannah, let us pass a message to all the people in the form of a beautiful song. I live in India. I love my India. So many festivals and traditions in India. I like to celebrate all them staying in India. Sare jaha se achha Hindustan hamara. Jai Hind!
Jai Hind!
Okay, Hannah, so are you ready now?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, here we go.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, proud of it, with our heritage. I shall make a wish worthy of it, and my parents and my teachers and my elders respect. Treat everyone with courtesy. To my country, my people, I felt my devotion. India Babin was predicting hello like my happiness. Thank you, Jai Hind.